Do you feel like your phone is controlling your life? Stuck in endless scrolling? Well, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you why you need a digital detox and how to reclaim your time and focus. Let's dive in. 1. Why you need a digital detox. Our screens are amazing tools, but they've become a trap. Did you know the average person spends 7 hours a day on screens? That's nearly half of your waking life. Negative impacts of excessive screen time, poor sleep, stress, reduced productivity, and even mental health issues. But here's the good news. With a digital detox, you can reset your habits, improve focus, and feel more present in the moment. 2. Signs you might need a digital detox. Quick cuts to relatable scenarios, constant phone checking, struggling to sleep, losing track of time online. Does this sound familiar? If you're feeling anxious without your phone, procrastinating with endless YouTube, or struggling to disconnect, it's time for a change. 3. How to do a digital detox. Step 1. Start small. Begin with a single, no phone, zone, like your bedroom or during meals. This creates boundaries. Step 2. Schedule screen-free time. Try the 30-minute rule. No screens for the first 30 minutes after waking up or before bed. Step 3. Find offline activities. Replace screen time with hobbies, reading, cooking, or even a walk in nature. Reconnect with the real world. So, are you ready to take control? Start your digital detox today and let me know your first step in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video. It might inspire someone else to unplug. Hit subscribe for more life hacks to boost your productivity and well-being.